Hola. Hello friends, welcome to mi casita. Bienvenidos a mi casita. Let's sing our greeting song. Hello my friends, I'm glad to see you. Hola amigos, ¿cómo están hoy? Hello to daddy. Hello to mommy. I'm glad to see you. Hola mami. Hola papi, ¿cómo están? Hola Piggy.
Hi, Paula.
Hola amigos.
Hola, amigos.
Ready? What is the title of the book today, Piggy?
Who makes this sound?
¿Quién hace este sonido? Who's here?
That's a piggy.
Como yo, like me. What is the sound that I make? What I say?
Oink, oink.
Could you do that for me?
Oink, oink.
If you see an animal and you know the sound, make it. Hagan el sonido que vean en el libro del animalito. Ready?
Ready. Who goes moo, moo?
¿Quién hace mumu?
A cow.
Una vaca. Mu. Bye, cow. Adiós.
Adios.
Adiós, vaca.
Who says woof, woof?
¿Quién hace wow, wow? Wow, wow.
A dog.
Un perro. Say perro.
Perro.
Arf, arf. Adiós, perro.
Adios. Who says oink, oink?
Me. Oink, oink. ¿Quién hace oink, oink?
Oink, oink. A pig.
Un puerquito. Mi hermanito. It's my little brother. Bye, Piggy.
Bye bye.
Bien. Colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado. Did you like who made this sound, Piggy?
Yes, I like that.
Why you like this book?
It's about sounds, animal sounds.
Yes. And we see where do they live, donde viven. Please draw a picture about your favorite animal and make the sound. Okay? And parents, if you read to your children, they will love books and they will love you more. Practice the animal sounds and ask them who made this sound. Okay? And we are gonna practice new words also. Adios, amigos. Practice your Spanish and English. Love you. Los amo. Adios. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Adios, Paula.
Oink oink. Wow wow. Arf arf.